Alright guys, so today I'll be installing the Ict Billet 551617X-3 manual belt tensioner on my turbo truck. There's a picture of it, stuff it comes with. I picked this up at Summit Racing. It's all the hardware. Tensioner right there, it's a 1/2 inch adjustment on it. So as you can see right here, I've already removed the factory belt tensioner. I'm going to go ahead and open up this packaging for the ICT and show y'all what it comes with and what tools you'll need. So it's the 551617X-3 truck manual belt tensioner kit from Ict Billet. There's some instructions. Got the pulley. Got some mounting hardware. Then you have the spacers, which are going to go onto the longer bolts right there for the mounting. So that's it for the mounting and what you come with. You can go like this onto the tensioner. This will go into the pulley. You got spacers. Then you have these instructions. So here's your pulley arm. Here's your base. And you can use your spacers for the longer bolts like that. Alright, so then you got the base, you got the pulley arm, and you can use the M10x25, which is going to be this one. And go behind the base into the pulley arm, just like this. Tighten it up a little bit. And then you're going to use a flat M10x25, which will be this one. It's going to go into the front. Go ahead, tighten it up, that one a little bit. Then your second step, it's going to be putting it onto the water pump. That way you have adjustment right there. You'll use the 1/2 inch ratchet put in there to make the adjustments. Alright, so here on step 2 we're going to be mounting it to the water pump. That's what you're going to be needing. I'm going to go ahead and get that started for you. Just going to bolt up right into here. Don't forget to put your spacers on. That's going to go like that. And go ahead and bolt them in. Right here on step 3, now we're going to go ahead and install the pulley. Takes a spacer, which is this one. Got a little flare on it. And then takes the M10x40 with the washer. This right here, the M10x40 in the washer. Let me go ahead and get that installed on the pulley. I don't know if y'all can see it very well on the camera, but back here it has some just some plastic markings. So I'm going to go ahead and put that towards the back. Put this into the bearing of the pulley. That. And just wiggle that in, push it in, spin freely. Alright, so here at this point, we're just going to go ahead and tighten up all the bolts. Alright, so the Allen head bolts, which the 3 mounting bolts, they're size 6 for the Allen wrench. So you'll need a size 6. Quick little tip, before you mount the pulley, you want to go ahead and tighten up the mounting bolts because the pulley will get in your way. Alright, now once you get all those mounting bolts tightened up, then you can reinstall the pulley, because if you don't, then whenever you're tightening this bottom mounting bolt right here, can you see it right here, it's once you're trying to do it, the pulley gets in your way. Then it's a size 13 bolt to tighten up that pulley. So go ahead and get that tightened up. Once you get everything tightened, like I said, 13 for the pulley, size 6 Allen wrench for the mounting bolts. And then in the back of the pulley, right back here, it'll be a little hard to see. Right here, this adjustment bolt, right there. That's a size 13 also, but you only tighten that once you get this to where you need it. And then like once you're, it's a 1/2 inch ratchet for you to make the adjustment on that. Alright, so then you're gonna route your belt, and then you're gonna come back here to make your adjustment. Go ahead and use your 1/2 inch, put it right here. And you go ahead and pull that back towards you, and you're going to tighten your adjustment screw. So you get that done, go ahead, make sure it's tight, make sure it's not going to fling off on you again, because this issues I was having, as soon as I'd get in the boost, it'd throw the belt. So let's hope this works. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.